Hello everyone, welcome to Fingertip Facts. In this video, we are going to know what is Archimedes principle. The Archimedes principle explains for the buoyancy of an object in water. Archimedes principle states that the upward buoyant force that is exerted on a body immersed in a fluid, whether fully or partially, is equal to the weight of the fluid that the body displaces. The Archimedes principle is a law of physics fundamental to fluid mechanics, and it was formulated by Archimedes of Syracuse. Archimedes is arguably the best known inventor of ancient Greece and perhaps one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. He is remembered for myriad inventions, from a device for raising water called Archimedes screw through to catapults that defended his home of Syracuse against invading Romans. The story of how the principle that bears his name was discovered is equally well known. The Archimedes principle dictates that a body submerged in a liquid is buoyed up by a force that equals the weight of the liquid it displaces. If the body weighs more than the weight of the water it displaces, it will sink. If it weighs less, it will float. These observations, immortalized in 2 volumes of On Floating Bodies, remain the first known investigations into the laws of buoyancy, making Archimedes the father of science of hydrostatics. According to the legend, Archimedes stumbled upon his principle while doing some detective work for Hieron, the king of Syracuse, who suspected that a goldsmith had stolen his gold while making his crown. The Roman writer and architect Vitruvius recounted in his work on architecture how Archimedes took the crown to public baths, and as he was sitting down in the tub, he noticed the amount of water which flowed over the tub was equal to the amount by which his body was immersed. But Galileo and others have questioned the accuracy of Vitruvius' accounts because it was written 200 years after the actual event. Archimedes reportedly exclaimed Eureka after he realized how to detect whether a crown is made out of impure gold. While he did not use Archimedes' principle in the widespread tale and used displaced water only for measuring the volume of the crown, there is an alternative approach using the principle. Balance the crown and pure gold on a scale in the air and then put the scale into water. According to Archimedes' principle, if the density of the crown differs from the density of pure gold, the scale will get out of balance under water.